Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study the maximax and minimin principle of making decisions under environment of uncertainty. Unlike the maximin principle and minimax principle in which decision maker was pessimistic, in this case the decision maker is extremely optimistic. So they would follow the principle of maximax and minimin type. So then what would be the procedure of calculating the optimal strategy in this scenario? And remember that we are studying one stage decision making problems under condition of uncertainty. And we have an illustration in which a company has 6 possible actions A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and A6. So company can select any one of them. And the company on the basis of past data and experience knows that there can be 6 possible outcomes of a particular event in future. These are E1, E2, E3, E4, E5 and E6. And in this payoff matrix, in first case, the profits are given. Okay, so the values in this payoff matrix, or the payoff values, represents the profits of the particular company which are gained after particular combination of event and action. So we need to select the optimal strategy for company in this scenario. So then what would be the procedure? Remember, in first case we are supposing that these values represents the profits of the company. So first step is determine maximum payoff value. So in first case we would apply the maximax principle, because in this case the payoff values represents the profits. So every optimistic company would try to maximize the profit. So we are considering the maximum payoff value for each action. For action 1, the maximum payoff value is 360. For action 2, the maximum payoff value is 380. For action A3, the maximum value is 400. For action A4, the maximum value is 420. For action 5, it is 440. And in last, for A6, it is 460. So the basic or the simple principle that we need to follow is of maximax type. In step 1, determine the maximum values for each strategy, and then in step 2, among these maximum payoffs, select the one with highest value. Okay, out of the maximum values we need to select the maximum value. So among these values the maximum value is 460. So following this assumption, the optimal strategy for company would be A6, or the company A should take A6 action to get the maximum profit in future. So then in case 1, A6 strategy would be optimal if the payoff values are given in terms of profits. Now we would consider the second case, in which we suppose that these payoff values are given in terms of costs. Instead of profits, they are given in terms of costs. Then which principle we should adopt? We would adopt the mini-min principle. Mini-min, that means minimum out of the minimum values. So what would be the procedure for calculating optimal strategy when we adopt mini-min principle? Step 1, determine the minimum payoff value for each strategy. Remember, now we are considering all the payoff values as costs. So we need to select in step 1 the minimum payoff value for each strategy or each action. For action 1 or strategy A1, the minimum value is 360. For action A2, minimum value is 310. For A3, it is 260. For A4, it is 210. For A5, it is 160. And for A6, it is 110. So the minimum payoff values for the respective actions are found in step 1. Then what would be the second step? Among these minimum values, select the one payoff with lowest value. So with lowest value, and lowest is this one. So in this case, it is coincidentally that A6 strategy is being adopted in case 1 and in case 2 as well. So it may not be the case in other problems. And it is so because we are taking same pair of values once as profits and another time we are taking them as costs. So it is not necessary that the outcomes of maximax and minimin would be equal. So in this case, the minimum out of the minimum values is 110, and that is in front of action 6. So in case 2, the optimal strategy for company would be A6. Okay. So remember that, look carefully at the payoff matrix and find out in what terms the payoff values are given. If they are given in terms of profits, then follow these two steps. Select the maximum payoff value for each strategy, and among those maximum payoffs, select the highest one. If the values are given in terms of costs, then determine the minimum payoff value for each strategy, and again out of those minimum payoffs, select the lowest one. So in this way, we can select or find the optimal strategy for the company by using maximax and minimin principle. Thank you.